Hi, my name is John Bayne, and I run the Gorilla Glass business for Corning. Back in mid-February, I stood on a stage in India speaking to a younger audience about the digital era we live in and how this incredible connectivity and content was created by people just like them, people with their own stories on their own journeys. And my point was this: as these young people in India are inheriting the digital era, they should be thinking about their own personal journeys and their own stories. Corning Gorilla Glass has also been on its own journey over the past 13 years, developing the best strengthened device glass in the world to protect smartphones, wearables, tablets, and laptops. Globally, consumer devices have become a key means of sharing and communicating, and especially during these challenging times of working and studying from home, our reliance on our mobile devices is more important than ever. We rely on our devices to share impactful moments. We inspire, we support, we educate, and we entertain through our devices. And most importantly, we have come to realize that we are all tougher together. Through the events of the past year, Corning continued to innovate to make our glasses even better. Whenever we develop a new glass, we set the bar high. The new glass must be clearly better than our current flagship product and far superior to the competition. But better can mean a lot of things. Better at surviving a drop event, better against scratches, better economics. To determine what better means on a mobile device, we conducted a worldwide study, and the results surprised us. We asked if consumers prioritize drop durability or scratch durability, and the answer came back yes, meaning to consumers, better meant tougher for both drop and scratch. So instead of asking our technologists to focus on a single goal, making the glass better for drop or better for scratch, we asked them to add a new chapter in the Gorilla Glass story to make it better for both drop and scratch at the same time. And we're here today because we delivered on that challenge with our newest flagship glass, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus is a mobile device glass engineered to significantly improve both drop and scratch performance at the same time. Gorilla Glass Victus is the toughest Gorilla Glass yet, with significant improvement in both drop and scratch performance for the first time ever. And these are more than incremental improvements. Our prior flagship glass, Gorilla Glass 6, survives drops up to 1.6 meters onto rough surfaces. By comparison, in our lab tests, Gorilla Glass Victus survives up to 2-meter drops onto rough surfaces, which is 25% better drop performance than Gorilla Glass 6. That's way up here. Now, let's talk scratch. We test scratch in a couple of ways. First, we use a Knoop diamond test to determine how much force is required to create a visible scratch in the glass. The second test takes that scratch piece of glass and determines how much force is required to break it in a ring-on-ring test. Simple, right? How much force to scratch the glass and how much force to break the glass after it has been scratched. In both tests, the scratch performance of Gorilla Glass Victus is 2 times better than Gorilla Glass 6. 2-meter drop, 2 times better scratch. Easy to remember. And again, this is versus our own market-leading glass. When we compare Gorilla Glass Victus to the competition, the performance gains are even more impressive because these competitive glasses typically do not survive a single drop from 1 meter in lab tests and have a third of the scratch performance of Gorilla Glass Victus. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus is so good that if you used it on phones designed just 3 or 4 years ago, you'd be hard-pressed to break them in an everyday drop event. And now, for maybe the best part. Because our newest glass resists scratches, it runs through manufacturing lines at higher yields. So at the finished component level, whether it be a 3D cover or a 2D back, a Gorilla Glass Victus part should be about the same cost as a Gorilla Glass 6 part. 2-meter drop, 2 times better scratch, same economics. Now that's true innovation. Clearly, it's our hope that the mobile device ecosystem will extract the full capability of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus throughout their product portfolios. This glass is perfect for premium, intermediate, and even entry-level phones. All consumers need and all consumers deserve the kind of toughness Gorilla Glass Victus can deliver. And here at Corning, we stand ready to help all device manufacturers deliver this toughness in their newest models.